So this assignment is asking you to pick a database that covers something in science, technology, or medicine of your choice. And we have a class wiki, and you're going to claim it on the wiki. That's going to be the first thing you're going to do. And at this point, then you will be responsible. You're going to be the class expert on that database. And so you want to make sure that you're familiar with the search interface, how the results are listed, if you can sort them, and any other unique features of the database. And you can do this by, there should be help files. You might look at other guides online, and definitely go in and play and poke around. And so you really become familiar with a database.
This assignment really falls into two parts. What we're really looking for here is kind of a synthesis of your reference abilities within the sciences. So one thing that we want you to do is to create a Jing tutorial to explain your database. Jing is a really nice screen capture software. If you haven't used it before, the feature that I like the most about it is it limits videos to just 5 minutes. So you have to do a quick explanation. We use Jing for reference a lot. We're able to send a faculty member or student that asks us a question, a video response to that question, showing them how to navigate the database. So it's a great tool to use for reference. It's also a great tool to use for instruction. So you'll be learning how to use that tool and creating a video that you can either embed in your final LibGuide for the next assignment, or just so that you know how to use this tool in the future, that you can use it as a reference tool.
And it's important to point out that if you ever do interview for an academic librarian position, you'll probably be asked to give some sort of demonstration or maybe an instructional lecture. And a lot of times it's on showing a database. And so if you're really familiar with a database, you can just use that for your interview.
The second part of this assignment is create a wiki cheat sheet. So we're going to, as a group, everyone will be responsible for filling in a spreadsheet based on their particular database. In this wiki cheat sheet, we're asking you to fill in predefined fields. You'll find this cheat sheet available and linked to from our discussion boards.